everybody. In the last lesson we learned about playing octaves on your ukulele and how they can make your melodies sound bigger and more powerful. Today we're going to take that same concept and make it groove. In this video I'm going to show you a simple musical tool that will turn your ukulele into a percussive funk machine. So please grab your ukulele and let's make these octaves move. Now just a quick reminder, an octave is two notes played at the same time. They have the same name. One is lower, one is higher. The shape we use for this lesson is going to be the index finger, third string. In this case, it's at the 5th fret. That's an F. The pinky is at the 8th fret on the first string. That's also an F. The pattern will always be the pinky is 3 frets higher and 2 strings down to the floor. First, strum them and then lift off the sound. Notice how I'm curving this finger a little bit to mute, and a little bit of this finger is touching this string, the G string, to mute. Before we get into the funkiness, you want to be able to turn the sound on and off just by relaxing the hand. So you turn it on and then you scratch, on, scratch. Another key skill you're going to need is to let it ring, slide it up. So I let it ring and slide it up. Now, please don't click away. I know this can be tricky stuff. So here's my practice tip for you. Do it once and then let go. When you let go, really relax your hand, reset, find it again. Just 3 or 5 very mindful repetitions with breaks in between will help you to really make progress. Instead of just doing it again and again and again, spinning your wheels, this is how you really grow. If you'd like to get a printable version of the lesson notes for this video, check the links down below. Every month I create bonus content for members of Ukulele Zen, including song sheets, ukulele tabs, solo transcriptions. There is a lot waiting for you as a member of Ukulele Zen. Okay, now let's add some rhythm to these. Before I show you the 3 awesome funk grooves, let's get comfortable with scratch technique. Please mute your strings. I like to call this the X chord, and we're going to play slow 16th notes at first. It's counted 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. We're going to do this a lot, so get comfortable with the idea that your wrist is loose. It's like a marionette puppet, just swinging loose. But we're not just going to play it in that dull way. We're going to be accenting on beats 2 and 4. And the way you accent is to whip the strings a little faster. It's not so much harder, it's faster. I got a tip coming up for you. Try this out. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... Starts to sound like a drummer, right? To make 2 and 4 louder, you whip it faster. And the good tip that was shared with me years ago is to pretend your fingers have been dipped in water and then just shake the water off your hands. It's not hard, it's fast. 1, 2, 3, and a let's do it. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. So just be able to hold this down, breathing, smiling, tapping your foot, maybe get your chicken neck going. Be able to look to one side to the next. Connect with your audience. Connect with a loose neck. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. Now we are ready to use these with octaves and learning 3 essential grooves. I hope you're enjoying this lesson so far. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below with any suggestions, comments, questions. I'm offering different ukulele and meditation retreats where we go deep into our music, breath work, and mindfulness practice. It's a very fun, joyful time. I would love to see you at a live event. Please sign the mailing list to keep in the loop of all that I'm offering here at Ukulele Zen. Let's strum and shut the sound off. We're going to try this. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a nice and easy. 1E and a 2E and a... Most of the time, your hand's doing nothing, just chilling on the strings. I'm going to show you 3 patterns now. We'll do it slowly, without the drums, then we'll pick it up and we'll play it with the drum machine. Pattern 1 sounds like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, it's easy to overthink these kind of grooves. It is important to be able to count them and to understand them, but I encourage you to get primal with it. Just say, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. See, I'm still whipping on beat 4. 1 E and a 3 E and 1 E and a 3 E and yeah, I am bringing my hand a little closer to the bridge to get more of a crisp percussive sound. You can also strum. See how I strummed once, and that down up is the sound of the slide. Please don't click away because we're about to add the drum beat. Are you ready? Down up, just say it. Down up, now play it. 2 frets higher. Down. Most of the time, your hand's doing nothing. Relax it. You got it. I can't wait to show you the next pattern. Are you ready? Pattern number 2 is going to be down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. That would be counted 1 E and a 2 E and up, 2 E and a 4 E and a little easier, I think, to just say down, up, 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 down, up, up. Most of the time, the hand totally chilling out. Showing you this using just 2 notes, but you can use this with lots of other things. Just using the notes of the G pentatonic scale. Right now, I'm just showing you this with 2 notes, F and G, which creates kind of like a G tonality. Something just to hang out with. Let's practice pattern number 2. Down, up, up, up. Here we go. Are you still with me? Are you still glad you showed up? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Move it up. Keep it loose. The last pattern adds 3 strums at the end of beat 4. Down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. Now, with the drum beat, sounds like this. What will eventually happen as you get comfortable with these patterns is you're going to start to find your own ways into it. Here's a G minor. I'm going to drop my pinky there at the 7th fret. I'm going to move that pinky up there to the 8th fret. I'm going to move that pinky back down, and watch, just because I've hung out with that 16th note scratch, things like this will start to show up. Eventually, alright, won't be long before the funk really starts to take over. Thanks again for watching and playing along. You can click right here to watch another tutorial from Ukulele Zen. Until we see each other again, wishing you and your loved ones many blessings, good health, and many happy days of jamming. I'll see you in another video sometime soon.